Hey guys, it's Kip here from KDC Marketing, and in today's video I want to show you how you can add filters to your datasets, to your CMS collections, so that you can show different items on different pages. So this is my CMS dataset here. I have a repeater, and inside of that repeater I've connected some dynamic content. And if you're new to dynamic content, it's called Wix CMS. It's just their content management system, and so it allows you to create some really cool dynamic content across your website. So this is my team members section here, and if I click into this stack, and then we click into a specific element here, like this image element, if I click on my CMS gear icon, this little connector icon, then it'll show me what this is connected to. So this is connected to the profile image inside of my data set. And so my CMS is over here on the left-hand side, and I can open up my collection. And so I have this team members collection here that I can open up, and this is what it's connecting to. So here's my data set that has the title, name, department, years with the company, has all this information. And I'm only showing some of these fields on the home page. I actually have specific pages that link into these different data sets. So the thing that I want to show you today, though, is how to set a filter. So let's say that on this home page, I only wanted to show people who worked in marketing. So if I go to my dataset settings here, and then I click on add filter, then if I click on this, then I can choose a field in my collection. So for example, I'm going to go into department because that's what I wanted to use as my filter. And I'm going to say the department contains, and I'm just going to say marketing. And I'm going to click add filter. And once this filter has been added, you can see that it updated my my repeater to only include those who are in marketing. Now, it did kind of mess up the design of my repeater a bit. I might have to go in and redrag these items here and get this working. I think it's because I have it stretched to fill this space. So if I bring my section down, this should fix a lot of things here and make it so those items look a bit better in terms of design. But that's how you're able to filter different things. So if you only want to show a certain field on a certain page, that's how you can filter, and that's already looking a bit better. So let me go in and show you how you do that one more time. So you just go into your connector tool, and you're going to click the dataset settings, and then you're going to have this filter here. And you can see my filter still there. It says department contains marketing. So now I'm only seeing the people who have marketing as their department on the website. Now I can remove this filter if I want to, and if I do that, then it should go back to how it was before with everybody showing. And I can filter on other things too. I could filter on the title, their names. You can only filter with what's available in your collection. So if you go to your collection here, you can select any of these fields to filter from, and it should work to filter those different items out. And if you need to create a new field so that you can filter it differently, you can do that. So you just go here to add field, and then you could do a tag, might be a good one to do. You could just do a text field, something that allows you to filter. You could do Boolean as well, which is just a checkbox, yes or no. And so there's lots of ways that you could filter this information once you get it into your collection. But the important thing is just where to find it, and to go into the data set settings of the page, and you can then filter right here in the filter section. And if you have more than one data set on your page, you can find that by viewing all the page data sets kind of down here at the bottom. This one only has this data set connected to it right now. So that's why there's only one there, but that's how you would go in and add a filter so you can show specific items on specific pages. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.